everybody, this is Molly from Edwards & Towers, and I am currently standing in Arabian Ranches at one of our newest listings. This 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom house is on an 8,500 square foot plot, and it is currently undergoing a partial renovation. It will be going live soon for rent or for sale, so today I'm going to show you a few sneak peeks of what we have in store. Stay tuned and let's go take a look. Welcome to our little sneak peek of this amazing new listing with Edwards & Towers. I'm currently situated on the main level of this upgraded house in Arabian Ranches with final renovations happening upstairs on the 2nd level. So let's go take a look around this house and see what it has to offer. As we step into the kitchen, you can see it's been upgraded in such a beautiful and homey way. We've got amazing countertops, we've got integrated Siemens and Bosch appliances, and a beautiful small dining area here in the back. We actually have another large dining area on this main floor, which you're going to see soon, but enjoy this wonderful kitchen and let's go on to the next room. As I said in the kitchen, this house has a beautiful dining area that can entertain up to about 10 or 12 guests. If you look around, they've put a really unique touch on it with amazing wallpapers and a lovely china cabinet here. So the owners of this house have definitely put their mark on it, and we hope that someone new can enjoy it just as much as they have. Now, welcome to the entertainment area where we have a lovely and fully equipped bar with a wine cooler fridge to my left and an amazing alcohol storage area here to my right. And just in front of me, there's a big pool table, which is perfect for entertaining your guests. So we're gonna head off to the final little bit of our main floor, and you'll have to wait upstairs till the renovations are complete. So let's go and finish this tour off now. So as we're walking through the house now on that main level, you're gonna find one guest bathroom just by the front door. And as we keep walking over here, you've got a really lovely living room, which is perfect for families where you can sit, relax after a long day and all hang out. So this is perfect size. As I said, it's been fully upgraded with the upstairs just finishing their renovations. They've picked some beautiful accents in wall decor. So surely the next person can finish this off and make it themselves, their own. And we're gonna go check out the last bit, which is the guest bedroom, and then that will be it for our tour. Coming on into this guest bedroom, it's got lots of ample storage space, again an ensuite bathroom, which has all been fully upgraded, and a nice view of the front yard. So thank you guys for joining us today, and if you are interested in this property, please contact us on the details provided and our listing agent will get back to you.